No,
know why,
yeah.
but on mine,
Well,
if
it's
I
because
go,
you're on the template. If you add it via indicators, you'll be able to add a few of them. You'll add up to 5 if you're on a pro account.
okay, let's see. All right, so
So and go up. Oh wow, you don't have it. It should be invite only scripts. Maybe it's favorites. Try favorites. Yeah, favorites. It's that. So add the fib levels, trend direction, bottom trend. Actually, no, do that trend direction is good. And you've got price action. No, you've got price action, I think.
because I started with price action.
Yeah, I think
Okay,
you've got the
and
price
then
action.
I click on this and I pull it up to the top.
Yeah, you pull that one up, and that will move it. One of the reasons I like this tool is that it helps give me live price action movement. So right here, for example, I did a short at about 11.7. It was giving me this indicator to sell. It was going down on stochastics and the overbought oversold indicator, and on the Fibonacci levels. So what I did is a short at about 11.7, which you can see here on KRAKEN, for about 4 Bitcoin. So I made a $600 profit on a $1,000 tool. And how long has this trade been open? This trade has been open for an hour. So I have made $600 in an hour on this $100 tool or $1,000 tool. And that's one of the reasons why I suggest it to all my clients, because they wouldn't have been able to do a short here. They might have bought. A lot of them think Bitcoin's going to go to 12K. And I think that it could possibly go lower before then. Right now, see, it's going even lower, 11,524. We got this live sell indicator. It's still going down. It could go even farther down. How much money have I made now? I've made $777. And it just keeps, oh my God, it keeps crashing live right here, right now.
That's beautiful.
And I did a short. You can see I'm up $900 paying attention to the software, doing this short. It's hitting this Fibonacci level. It's either going to crash past this or it's going to bounce. That's what I do. So right now I'm going to split a rebuy at 11,520 in order to lock in my profits. So, oh, it's already back. I'm just going to close this position right now. I'm just going to close it. I'm happy with my profits. So there, I've just made $600 using this tool from Joe, doing one simple short. It only cost me $1,000, and that's why I suggest it to all my clients. It's not about being able to catch every single thing, being the best trader in the world. It's about being there, knowing when to do it. Very rarely do you hit home runs. So why waste your time swinging all day when you can do something like this, catch it once, and make all the money you need? I sold all my Bitcoin at about 11.7. It's now valued at 11,562. I even placed a short and made an extra $500 on top of it. So if I re-enter at any point before this, I will be making profit in Bitcoin as well. And so this is just a wonderful tool that I like to give all my clients or tell them to purchase, because you're really trading blind in this crypto market. Would you have known that this Fibonacci level was going down or anything like that? Would you have known that it's probably going to bounce? And like I said, did it not bounce off of this lowest Fibonacci spiral level right here? It bounced here and now it's back up. It's a tool that you can use and you can learn to just help you become a better trader. And so that's why I suggest it to all my clients. And that's why I personally even called Joe if I have any questions. I was even explaining it to you. I'm not the best in the world of this product, but it takes 10 days to use this and learn it and understand it. And you've got a whole year subscription. So why not use those 355 other days to make money? Let's see, it's holding up here at this level. It might bounce back, but I don't care. I've made all the money I need. So that's about it.
Right. Yeah, it's good. Joe, what do you think? Isn't it exciting? It's great. It's great.
Yeah, I'm glad we're here right now this time. Because isn't that a great thing? Just say, hey, look, and then here's a literal trade I have on KRAKEN where I'm making money. This is not bullshit. I'm not just saying, oh, I did this. Here's real proof.
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's awesome, man.
That is. So you literally just did a short. Now,
Yeah,
the one thing is like, we're not allowed to short, are we, as Americans?
Yeah, we are.
Well, Yeah, this is what it is, Susie. Is that, see, you're not allowed to sell alternative coins. Kraken, the pairs that are on there are dollar pairs. So you can sell dollar pairs. Kraken is the only place that you can actually do that with. Just FYI, so you know.
Kraken allows you to short the market.
Yeah.
Yeah, the issue is that a lot of the cryptocurrencies are considered securities, and they only allow like 5 or 6 that are actually good, or not 5 or 6. They only allow tokens that aren't obvious securities, and that's where you get in trouble. And see, right here, the price is spiking back up, so I'm glad I made the profit while I could.